How to create a PDF on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a PDF on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, head over and open the picture that you wish to create a PDF for. Now, for example, this is the picture that I wish to convert into PDF. So what you got to do is just click on this icon here at the bottom left. And then you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to scroll all the way down till you find the option that says print. So just click on print. Once you do so, you'll be able to see some options like this. Now, since you're not actually printing, you're going to click on this icon here at the top once again. And then you'll be able to see that now your picture has been converted into a PDF document. Now you can either send this picture to any of your friends on any of the applications over here, or you can just click on Save to Files. So I'm just going to click on Save to Files. And then you can select a place where you wish to save this picture or PDF and then click on Save. Then you can head over to My Files. And now here you can see that here is the PDF that I just created. Now, another way to change a picture into PDF is quite similar to the previous one. So go back to the gallery and then once again click on this icon here at the bottom left. But this time you're going to scroll all the way through the apps and then click on More. Then scroll all the way down till you find the option of Books. So just click on Books. And once you do click on Books, you will be redirected to your books and you'll be able to see that that picture has been converted into a PDF and you can view it in Books. Now there is another third way by which you can create a PDF on iPhone. So you can just go and open Google Docs. So just click on Google Docs and here you can click on plus over here and select the image. You can just create a file name. For example, I'm just going to give it name ABC for demonstration purpose. Click on create and upload that picture on Google Doc. Now here you can see that I have uploaded that image into my Google Docs, and once you've done, you can click on these three dots over here and then you can scroll down till you find the option that says send a copy. So just click on send a copy. And then you can click on OK. You can select PDF and then click on OK. Now you can see that it is preparing a PDF. And now the PDF document has been created and you can send it to any of your friends or you can save it to your files. So that is how you can create a PDF on iPhone. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.